Good afternoon, friends. In today's topic, we are going to see about, in today's video, we are going to see about Informatics Research Labs Data Science Master Program in Predictive Analytics Modeler in association with IBM. So, as of whole, it's an IBM certified program. You will also get an IBM training completion certificate. So before going to that chapter, we will like the certification. I will tell you what is the main. I will tell you about what is IBM predictive analytics. So its predictive analytics course is something like you will get also a IBM digital badge. So it helps us to learn deeper about the data transformation and the ability to forecast and predict the future insights out of a possibility derived from the data using IBM SPSS Modeler and IBM Watson Studio. So here the Informatics Research Lab is actually the institution of this particular program. So they are actually conducting a data science master program in predictive analytics modeler with association with IBM. So they are having workshops, 3 workshops and 5 different domain certifications or the courses that we are calling. So IBM Predictive Analytics Modeler is also a scope in 2021. So it's differently, you will be, as you all see in the video, that YouTube video itself, like there is lots of scope for this IBM Predictive Analytics Modeler. So the criteria is either you are a student or you are a faculty. Either you are a student or you are a faculty member from a higher educational institution, or you will also get a badge from IBM Skills Academy program. The criteria is either you are a student or BME, whatever may be the student, or the bachelor's degree student, or a faculty member from higher educational institution. And you will get a certificate from IBM Protode exam for Predictive Analytics Modeler 2021 till 2025. IBM this domain is going to be very popular. And business analytics overview, business intelligence and analytics, predictive analytics modeler, that is with IBM SPSS modeler, and advanced data preparation using IBM SPSS modeler, and as you all know, predictive analytics with IBM Watson Studio. These are all the 5 main topics. In that there is a subtopic, main topics covered in this particular program, and using this link in the description box below, you can also download the curriculum for this particular program. So if you have any doubts, you can call 9951 6670. I will call you. I will tell the number again: 9951 6670. So you can call, and you can also call them and ask your query, whatever you have. And I have written why Predictive Analytics Modeler at Informatics down in the description box. And you can, if you want to join the new batch, either offline or online, either you can go and directly you can do it. So there is self-paced training, as you all seeing in the video. There is online training, there is classroom training, there is corporate training. So 4 different types of training. If you want some demo classes also, you can click the link in the description box, so and you can join for the demo classes, which is going to start. The main demo classes or session is going to start from 19th October 2020. This month, January 23rd and January 27th, there are 2 online classes that you can register for demo. And then for any queries or any doubts, you can WhatsApp or call to 9951 666670 or mail at info@informatics.in. These all informations will be there in my description box. Apart from this, they are people are choosing this Informatics Research Labs program is they have expert trainers, live projects, in-house internship, placement. What we need other than this. So all this is covering in one course. So you can directly go to this course and enroll and make your career into a different field. They will do good placement assistance and good placement guidance. So people who are interested can definitely go and watch all the videos and the YouTube videos also they have. So if you click this link, there is a YouTube video in that particular link also. Let's watch a video bite from our institute. There will be a video icon in that. If you are going to click that, there will be a complete video related to this particular course. So you can join as a business analyst or security engineer or artificial intelligence analyst or data analyst by choosing this particular program. These are all the job roles. Apart from this, there are different domain courses also, like data science, IBM predictive analytics, digital marketing, Amazon web services, that is AWS, DevOps, full stack development. I have showed some little bit about AWS, but there are lots of things that go to that particular course, and in that left hand side there will be a three toggle. So go to that. In the courses there will be different types of courses, like the domain DevOps, AWS. So if you are not into data science, you can also join AWS. That is what I am planning, like I am trying to say. So there is a workshop there for AI for kids also, and also chatbot using IBM Watson. And then there is lots of courses also, like for each and every domain. So based upon your wish, you can enroll for your favorite domain, AWS or DevOps or digital marketing, based upon your wish. So definitely make use of this opportunity and keep learning. Thank you so much for your time, and if you like this video, subscribe, share and like. Thanks for all your support. Thank you. Lots of love from Rohini.